Have you ever wondered how people make thousands of dollars every month just by uploading videos on YouTube? And more importantly, how you can do the same? Let's break it down in simple words. First, let's understand how YouTube itself makes money. YouTube earns mainly through ads. When you watch a video and see an ad before or during it, advertisers pay YouTube. YouTube then shares a part of that money with the creator. Simple rule: more views equals more ads, and more ads equals more money. To earn from ads, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. For that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Once you're approved, YouTube starts showing ads on your videos, and you get paid. On average in the USA, creators earn between $2 to $10 per 1,000 views, depending on the topic. Finance, business, and tech channels usually earn more. But ads are just one way. Smart creators use multiple income streams. For example, affiliate marketing. You recommend a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Then there are sponsorships. Brands pay you to talk about their product in your video. Many creators also sell their own products or courses, things like ebooks, online courses, or coaching programs. And with channel memberships and super chats, your audience can pay to support you directly. Now, the most important part: how can you start? First, pick one clear niche, like finance, tech, fitness, or motivation. Then solve a problem. Teach something, explain something, or entertain people. Be consistent. Try to upload 2 to 3 videos every week, and improve every video. Better title, better thumbnail, better energy. You don't need expensive cameras. Your phone is enough. What really matters is value and consistency. Remember, every big YouTuber you see today started with 0 subscribers. If they can do it, you can too. Start today, be patient, and don't quit. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.